In most cases, when we are making a computer vision system, we need to consider a lot of different challenges. Today, we'll look at 3 challenges. Our first problem is when we have a production line and we have different products not always being aligned the same way, of course our camera will not be able to see the same angle of the object. Furthermore, if we would like to see different angles of that same object, we need some way to handle this. The second problem of today is glossy surfaces. With glossy surfaces, we can have problems with the light being fractured in a way that makes it hard to see different types of defects. And thirdly, today we will also consider a wide range of different defects. These 3 challenges can be solved with a system like this. Here we have a robot arm locating the objects, pick it up and hold it up in front of the camera. In this case, we can use a camera that scans the item and stitches the scans together into one complete image. The robot arm, a camera and software makes it possible to take the random place items and place them in front of the inspection camera at exactly the right distance and angle to the camera. As the glossy aluminum surface reflects a lot of light, the robot arm will have to adjust the item to get the perfect lighting. The robot arm also turns the item to scan all the sides we want to inspect. The third challenge is to actually finding the defects we are looking for. In this case, we are looking for a wide range of possible defects. It could be scratches, holes, bumps, etc. And these defects are difficult to find with traditional computer vision because of the high variance of the surface of the object. To be able to find all these defects, we are using deep learning or AI. This is usually one of the most time-consuming parts of machine learning, but it's also one of the most important ones. This is because if we don't have a good dataset, then it's very unlikely that we will end up with a good neural network for the machine learning. And thereby our classification or segmentation will be faulty. After the neural network has been trained and has been implemented, we have a complete installation that will help us tackle all 3 challenges mentioned in the beginning. Handling random placed items, handling glossy surfaces, and finding defects of a wide range.